So what are the issues in a divorce or paternity case, and what is the law in Arizona on those issues? Divorce cases involving children and paternity cases both have the following three issues: legal decision-making, parenting time, and child support. Legal decision-making, or custody, is the right to make significant non-emergency decisions for the children. This includes decisions about education, health care, religious training, and personal care. Legal decision-making does not include routine everyday decisions such as what the child will eat for dinner or what the child will wear to school. There are basically three types of legal decision-making: joint legal decision-making, sole legal decision-making, and joint legal decision-making with one parent having the final decision. Joint legal decision-making means both parents discuss and decide together all significant non-emergency decisions regarding their children. Sole legal decision-making means one parent has the right to make all major non-emergency decisions regarding the children without the consent of the other parent. Joint legal decision-making with one parent having the final decision means that both parents must first discuss all major non-emergency decisions regarding their children. If the parents are unable to reach an agreement, one parent will be able to make the final decision. The parent who makes that final decision is the parent identified by the court as having the final decision-making authority. If you cannot agree on what type of legal decision-making you will use, the court will decide which is in the best interest of your children and choose the type of legal decision-making for you. If there is no reason why mom should have greater decision-making authority than dad, or that dad should have greater decision-making authority than mom, the court will typically order joint legal decision-making. Reasons why a court may decide that it is in the children's best interest for one parent to have greater legal decision-making authority than the other parent might be if one parent has been convicted of a drug offense during the last year, has a significant substance abuse issue, or if there has been significant history of domestic violence in the relationship. For more information about legal decision-making, you should go to the website that is identified on your handout. Parenting time is the time each parent spends with their children. During each parent's scheduled parenting time, he or she is responsible for providing their child with food, clothing, and shelter, and may make routine decisions concerning their child's care. A parenting time plan usually has two major parts. First, there is the ordinary schedule, which applies week to week. Second, there is a holiday schedule that applies to holidays, summers, and school breaks. If the parents cannot agree on a parenting plan, each parent will be asked to provide the court with their proposed schedule. In addition to a practical schedule that identifies holidays and school vacations, the parenting plan should also identify how, when, and where parenting time exchanges will happen. The parenting plan should also identify how the parents are going to communicate with each other about their child. Methods of communication may include telephone, text, or email. Arizona law requires that the court adopt a parenting plan that is in the child's best interest and maximizes each parent's parenting time. For more information about parenting plans, you can visit the website that is on your handout. You can also find forms for parenting plans on that website or at any of the court's self-service centers. Child support is calculated by using the Arizona Child Support Guidelines. The website for the guidelines is identified on the handout provided to you. The amount of child support a parent is ordered to pay will approximate the amount that the parent would have spent for the children if the parents and children were living together. Arizona's child support calculator takes into account various factors, such as the number and ages of the children, how much each parent earns, how much time each parent has with the children according to the party's parenting plan, and whether either parent is supporting other children, just to name a few. The child support worksheet calculates the amount of child support based upon the information entered and the Arizona Child Support Guidelines. The child support calculator will also tell you how you will divide medical expenses that are not covered by insurance and who will claim the children on their income tax return as a dependent each year. You can download the child support calculator by going to the website that is on the handout we provided to you.